Hey there, welcome to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and clicking on this video. So today's video, I have a self-care haul. I picked up some things from Victoria's Secret in their clearance section. They had an additional 25% off for members. So I had to pick up some things to add to my collection. So if you guys enjoy a self-care haul, then keep on watching. Welcome to the channel. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, yet keeping things fun and functional here for you. And today we're going to talk about self-care. I have a haul from Victoria's Secret. Picked up some great things. They had some amazing clearance items plus an additional 25% off. So I did pick up some beauty care from Victoria's Secret and Pink. And I also picked up a cute little keychain just to get up to that $50 mark for free shipping. That was another bonus that they had free shipping up to $50. And I also snagged up some exercise shorts because it's been really hot here in California and I'm still doing some walks. It's part of my self-care, but it's just too hot for pants. So we're not in fall season quite yet, but if you love a good body care, clearance, Victoria's Secret haul, you'll definitely love this video. Definitely subscribe and let's just jump right in. So let's get the keychain and the shorts out of the way, and just in case you're curious, if you're looking for, exercise clothes or walk comfortable clothes, I really like them. They are the high-waisted shorts, so they're a little bit of a lengthier short. So it says that it is 6 inches soft ultimate high-waisted biker shorts. I really like them. They're super soft. I've purchased them before, so I knew that I would really love them. I tend to really like Pink's athletic wear, and right now they're having like an amazing clearance sale. So definitely sign up for their rewards just to be a member there. It's completely free. I use the app. It's amazing. So definitely is a great time to pick up athletic wear. I've always liked Pink. It's just nice to have them as casual wear and to take walks in. So I really like them. So these were a great deal. They were originally $39.95 and I got them for $8, and I got mine in a large. So can't pass that up. So I got a pair of those. So the next thing I got is this wristlet keychain strap. So they had this one and then the black one. I thought this one was really pretty. It's actually really substantial. This part is super thick and they give you like this plastic holder, but it's got like the sparkles and it's different colors. I don't know, I thought it was super cute. So I thought this just was a cute thing to add to my cart, and yeah, I think I'm gonna have fun with that. So those were the accessory items for me to add to my cart to get to $50. All right, so let's jump into the body care. So I picked up some things that were on super clearance from Pink. It was part of their summer collection. Either it was like spring to summer or their summer collection that they were trying to get rid of, and there was like a tropical one that I really wanted as well. However, I saw that they had like a coconut, and I love coconut, and this is kind of like a blind purchase because some of these items I haven't really smelled in store because they didn't have it in store. So I picked up the Coconut Sun, this spray bottle. I love the colors. It's so cute and pretty. So it says toasted coconut and sunny vanilla. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. I do like some of Pink's body care, and I love buying it when it's like on a super cheap deal. Like when I go to the mall with my kids and we go shop around, we always go to Pink and Victoria's Secret, and they're always having a deal on their like fragrance mist or their body care. Go ahead and spray this. Oh yeah, definitely has that toasted coconut with a little bit of vanilla, and it's kind of like a citrus vanilla. So this is really good. I like this. So this smells really good. And then I also got the 24-hour moisturizing body lotion. That smells really good. I can't wait to use this in the summer or spring. So this one's sealed, so I'm not gonna open it just yet, but I'm glad I was able to pick up the set. And that I paid, so those were both $4.40 a piece. Again, I got an additional 25% off. They were just having like a members early sale on top of the clearance. So they might have been like $6 and then I got them for $4.40. So the last thing that I picked up from the pink line is the cocoa coffee. It comes in a small little jar like this. It's plastic, and this says that it is 6.7 ounces. And I want to smell this because I don't have a lot of coffee body butters or just lotions in general. And I thought I could use this to put in my October self-care regimen, and it feels like pudding. This is what it looks like. I do wish that some of these products came with a pre-sealed, I just wish that they came in a pre-sealed package. It kind of bugs me that they're already open. I do get like a coffee scent. It does give me like that perfume fragrant note in there, but it's more of like a mocha coffee smell to me. But it's super buttery, it's super like smooth, and it glides into my skin really nicely, and it kind of dries up really fast. I kind of worry about, you know, lotions that are very, very silky, that they don't dry fast enough into my skin or just soak it up. But I would say it has a slight coffee scent to it, more of like a mocha coffee scent, but it definitely has like a perfume scent to it as well. It's not like a natural coffee scent, which I was hoping for, but it's still pleasant. So I picked that up, and that also was $4.40. So let's jump into the Victoria's Secret. I decided to pick up this tease, which I thought it was a body butter, but it's actually a scrub. And I did open this when I opened up my package, and I noticed that it was sealed, which I prefer, but this one looks like it was open, or maybe it just peeled back a little bit. I don't really know. So I don't know if I want to return this or exchange this in store because it was open. But it actually is like a fluffy, kind of like the Dove polish scrubs. So that's what it looks like. It smells awesome though. I love teas. Teas is just a beautiful fragrance in general. But I really thought I was buying the body butter, but it's more of like a whipped sugar scrub, which is interesting. So I'm very excited to try this out. And this is going to be like a luxury thing, because this is more of a perfume scent, because teas is pretty strong. It's not like, it's a perfume scent, so it's a pleasant scent. I really like it. It's hard to get this lid back on, but I'm glad I picked this up. Again, I thought I was buying the body butter, but once I went to go look at my email and, you know, tracking the shipment, it said that it was a whipped scrub, and I was like, oh no, because I just saw the word whipped. But it's fine. It's something new to try out. This cost me $9.42. So this and the next item were probably my most expensive item. So I got Bear. I really love this scent, and I love Bear Rose, but I have the Bear perfume, and then I also have the Rollerball travel set. So I wanted to pick up a lotion. This cost me $10. The tees was $9, and then my shorts were $8. I like that this comes with a little protective cap on it. It's a little dusty, but they came pretty well packaged. Everything was in a box. Everything was wrapped really nicely, because I was also a little worried. I've never really purchased lotions or just liquids online because I was scared that maybe I would get it and be damaged, and I didn't want to have to deal with that. But everything was packaged really, really, really nicely. Oh my gosh, yes, this smells so good. I love the scent of Bear. It smells really, really pretty. I'm not really good at describing fragrance, but I just really love Bear scent. It's such a nice fragrance, woman's fragrance. It's so light, yet it just smells really good. I don't know, I really love it, and I also love Rose, so hopefully I will be able to get that one as well. But now I have the lotion and the perfume and the travel spray. So I love Bare. Okay, so the last two things I got from Victoria's Secret are their body mist, and I went with Bare in the golden and then the splash. This one I think was a summer collection. I'm not sure when this one came out, and honestly I've never smelled this one, but because I love Bare so far, and I even have it, I have it in the original, I think, in the core collection. So I think I did smell this one in store and I did like it, and it was on sale for $4, and then this one was $3.77. So that is such a good price. And then recently, if you guys keep up with the Victoria's Secret or Pink body care, they just came out with in the Victoria's Secret, the Christmas line. I just picked up, I'll go ahead and show you guys, since that's the only fragrance that I picked up from the holiday collection, was the Frost Mint, I think it is. So I'll grab that here in a second, but I knew that I wanted that one for sure. And that is currently, I think, on sale for $6.95. So definitely check that out. I think I like the strawberry one as well, but I really was in a hurry. So I just decided to get the Frost Mint. I think that's what it's called. I'll go ahead and grab that here in a second. But yeah, I got the Bare Vanilla Splash. Go ahead and spray this so I can get a little whiff. It kind of all smells the same once I start spraying all this, but this smells really, really nice. Again, if you like Bare, you're probably gonna like most of them. So this one's coconut flower, iridescent lotus, Bare Vanilla makes a splash. But yeah, it's all gonna like run in together because I have it some on my hands, but it smells really nice. I remember smelling this in stores. So it's kind of like a bright summer scent. So if you like Bare, you're definitely gonna like this one in the splash if it's still available. And then this one, I'm not really sure. It says sugared tonka, orchid blossom, Bare Vanilla at the golden hour. So it doesn't give a lot of scent notes, and it just gives a little fun statement. Try to spray this one. Ooh. Yeah, I think I smell the tonka in this one. And because of the orchid, I think I smell that. It gives like a citrus note towards the end, but like the tonka is like a nice, rich, dark scent to me, like a sugary scent. And then it gives me like a nice citrus finish. It smells really, really pleasant. Nothing too heavy and strong. So I'm glad that I like it, because I wasn't sure. I've never smelled this, but I couldn't pass it up. Yeah, this is definitely more of a date night, or if I'm having like a full self-care, because it's just so rich and creamy too at the same time. This one's definitely more creamy. This one's a little bit more brighter and more coconut. It's like a coconut vanilla. This is more of a creamier vanilla. So let me grab what I recently just got from Victoria's Secret in their holiday collection. Okay, so I totally forgot that I wanted to share this in this haul, because I wasn't planning on picking up anything extra from Victoria's Secret because I knew that I had this order coming in. So I did snag up the holiday set, and again, the strawberry one smelled really good. I didn't have a chance to smell the other two, so there is 4 in this line, and they come with their own body lotions. I've never tried the lotions from Victoria's Secret. This is probably my first one, actually. Well, besides the ones I just got, so like Bare, and most of the time I just get the mist in the pink line, but I do have this lotion, which I didn't open, so I can't really tell you if I like it. But this one I'm gonna open and tell you if I like it. So the packaging is really, really cute. It has like this embossed snow flakes on it. And so this one's called Frost Melt, Fresh Mint and Chocolate. And on the back side, it says hot chocolate ignites mint and tonka, warming the season's frost. Same thing with this one. So this is really, really pretty. So it has like chunky, like embossed snow glitter on there. I don't know, it's really cute. I love the packaging with like the morning snow. I don't know, it's just really pretty with the trees. So anywho, I saw this and I was like, I love the smell of mint and chocolate, and it's just really great for the holidays, something fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this. Again, I'm not a pro at this at all, but yeah, you can smell the fresh chocolate mint. It reminds me of like the little, I think, is it an Andes chocolate mint? Like this little small square ones. That's what it reminds me of. Definitely smell the chocolate. It's more of a powder mint chocolate. So it's nice. It's really, really nice. Definitely reminds me of, I think it's called the Andes little chocolate mints. I hope that that's what I'm thinking of. It smells really, really good. I love the chocolate. I love the mint. I mean, mint chocolate ice cream is my absolute favorite. So I really, really like this. This is gonna be really fun. And then let's try the lotion. So with the lotion, it is a 8-ounce fluid, and it has a little pop up here, but it also is a screw, and it does come pre-sealed, which I love. I don't know if they had a tester. Again, I just went in to see if they had this, see if it was on sale, and just grab it. So it is white, and it is very thin of a lotion than the body creams from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, it is very thin, but oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells so good. So this is very thin of a lotion. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's not runny, but I put way too much out. But you can see how it's like a thin, sheer lotion. It's very silky. So I prefer more of a thicker lotion just because my skin is very dry. I don't know, I just prefer a thicker lotion. But this smells so good. It's not as strong either, which is nice. So if you are familiar with Twisted Peppermint from Bath and Body Works, it's not as strong as that one. I mean, I know that one's a peppermint and this is more of a chocolate mint, which are two different scents, but it's not as strong. So if you like chocolate smells, you'll like this one, but I'm just saying that it's not as strong. I feel like it's more stronger in the mist than it is the lotion. I think the lotion's really nice because it's not as strong. I just decided to get both. This was my favorite. Plus, I love mint and chocolate together. I would say disappointment wise, I'm pretty disappointed in the coffee butter here. I just keep smelling this, and I do get, like, again, a coffee mocha, but I definitely think this is something to wear more in the summertime. I was hoping to wear it here in the fall because I wanted I wanted a coffee body butter, but I barely get that. I get more of like a tropical also scent from this, which is fine. I really like it, but I'm kind of disappointed that it's not like a natural coffee scent. It does like have like this perfume essence to it, I guess, because it is like, well, it's not Victoria's Secret. I keep wanting to say that. It's more in the pink line. Regardless, I really like it. I'm glad that I purchased it, that I have it, even though also it's still really hot here. So it's not like it's fall weather just yet. I'm really hoping that we get cooler weather here soon. But I do like everything else, except for maybe the teas. I mean, I love the smell of teas, but I was really hoping for a body butter. Let me know if you guys have tried this and if you think I should keep it or maybe exchange it because it was kind of open. That's what I'm worried about. I think they do carry this still in store, so maybe I'll just exchange it. But I do love this fragrance. It smells really, really nice, and I love Bear. I can't get enough of Bear. I love that fragrance. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. I'm so happy that you came across my channel, and we'll see you all in my next video. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye!